Hi, I'm Byron Applegate with Applegate Home Buyers. You know us for our fixing and flipping. You also know us for our cash home buying. But this is our home that we've listed for sale in the Pecans in Queen Creek, Arizona, and I'd love to show it to you. At Applegate Homes Realty, we are not in the listing houses business. We are in the getting houses sold business. So I'm going to show you this home and let you see what happened for this home seller, how we could take a house that's almost 6,000 square feet, sell it for almost $3.5 million, and do it in less than 52 days. When we took this listing, we knew we had a beautiful home. We knew we had a great product to work with, but we still had to look at how can we get the most money for our seller and how can we get it done as fast as possible. So this was a home where we needed to bring in the right buyer and get it sold for the seller on their timeline. A lot of real estate agents have never been in a home like this, or at least never represented a home like this. I have been in the luxury space for over 20 years as a contractor, and then when I transitioned into real estate, I can also sell a home like this because I know what quality looks like. I know what people are looking at that's totally different than your normal track home. When somebody pays $3.5 million, $4 million for a house, they're gonna be looking for things like big, grand, glorious light fixtures, amazing, huge kitchens. They're gonna be looking for tall ceilings and big fireplaces. These are the things that make a house different at a luxury level that's not the same as your average American home. One of the things a lot of people don't realize is how much the accessories to a home are just like accessories to a woman. A light fixture like this becomes like a beautiful necklace. Tall ceilings like this become like beautiful jewelry. You have to accessorize the home with the things that makes a home really stand out different than all the rest of the competition. Obviously, not every home is a luxury home, but at the same time, we've got to find a way to bring out the positives of that home so that it can sell. If you bring me into your home, I'm going to help you look at your house and see what maybe needs a little bit of love, needs a little touch. How do we make that house look as best as possible? Of course, not every house is a luxury house, but every house needs to look its very best. And that's what we can do in helping you sell your home. When you go to sell a home, every home has its elements that make it really beautiful, but it also might have elements that need a little bit of love, a little touching up, something you're going to do to make your house show the best. Some people say it's location, 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 and there's truth to that. But not every house in this neighborhood is going to sell for as much as this house sold for. So why? What made this house special? Is it the accessories that make it beautiful? Is it how clean it is? Is it how open it looks? Is it the fact that these are more modern and updated colors? The answer is yes to all of those things. So when we look at your home, we got to look at what's it going to take to make your house bring top dollar, sell as fast as possible. It's not just the neighborhood you're in, it's how does your house show? So when you bring us in, we're gonna look at those things with you, coach you through them, maybe even bring in our contractors to help you touch a few things up, and that way your house can bring the highest value. We're able to get the highest price per square foot ever sold in this neighborhood out of this home and did it in 51 days. One of the things we've noticed lately is the houses that are languishing on the market and going through price reduction after price reduction are the ones that are still just a little old and tired. So if we have the houses that are selling, like the ones that we fix and flip, and they sell quickly, it's because they're updated, they're fresh, and people like that. The buyers have options, and they're gonna buy the one that's nice and fixed up and new looking. So if you wanna sell your house fast, bring us in. Let us help you out. We might even bring our contractors to spruce it up a little bit, sprinkle a little love on your home and get your house ready so that you can sell it fastest and for the highest price possible. Want to sell your house fast? Don't wait. Call Applegate.